Porsche Boxster 718, new generation. But this car is about one thing, the colour. The only Crayon Boxster available in the UK like this to buy now, £47,990. Stunning car, 2-litre engine, 300 brake horsepower, great value for money. And it's in so up-to-date, popular, sought-after colour. Plus, on top of that, it's got beautiful extras. Let me show you. The car's only done 13,000 miles as well, by the way. Starting with the front, it's got them Porsche dynamic lights, that lighting system, so you can see, you get the extra, round the circles of the lights, you've got them extra lights, LEDs built in. Just transforms the look of the car, and they look fantastic on a night. Satin black, multi-spoke, Carrera S wheels, which are stunning. And what's happened, a couple of other things, the rollover bars have been done colour-coded as well. The car's got PDK, sports exhaust, tinted rear lights. Look at them lights, and then they've got the strip light running through. Sports exhaust has also been colour-coded in black, so it just looks sporty and unique. And I think for value for money, if you want a little sports car, get the roof down, enjoy it, and it look like up-to-date and modern. It doesn't get much better than this car. It's unbelievable value for money. But it's all about the colour, because crayon is a colour. You see it on a lot of 20, 21 plate Porsches at the moment, but not on 18s. So you'd be getting one of the earlier ones, but with the real up-to-date, desirable colour. Now I've got inside a couple of other extras. I'm just going to show you. So you've got electric folding mirrors, which I think is a great extra, especially in a little sports car, so you can fold the mirrors in. BOSE sound system. I've spoke about the PDK. Car sounds really good as well, with it having that sports exhaust button. So switchable sport exhaust, PDK gearbox with your paddle shifts, so you get that quick gear change and that great driving experience. You've then got heated seats, you've got ParkAssist, so you've got front and back sensors, and then you've got all your other things you would expect, your DAB, your navigation. So it's got all the things you would want, the right wheels, the colour, PDK, sports exhaust, and 13,639 miles. I'm just going to put the roof up as well, just to show you it. But this car sounds, for a 2-litre engine, it sounds absolutely fantastic. Now, this car's going on our website now, 47,990. My number's on the bottom of the screen. Just call me, because we'll sell this car today. It's a Crayon, the spec, the way it looks, and also the price range. It's a fantastic price for a 718. And I've looked what's available. There's red ones with basic spec. This car's Crayon with all the extras. It's hitting the website now. My number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call.